In this video, we will explore a split-type air conditioning system for ducts. Let's start by saying that one of the distinctive features of this equipment is that the condensing unit and compressor can be installed at a distance from the spaces to be air conditioned, resulting in a significant reduction in noise. The evaporator unit is installed inside the building and connected to the condensing unit, usually through long pipes, in this case, 3/4 and 3/8 of an inch in diameter. The equipment we are observing on the screen is a 60,000 BTU per hour model designed to operate on single-phase power at 220 volts and uses R410A refrigerant gas. Let's detail the different parts of the equipment. 1. Scroll compressor with a regular RLA electrical consumption of 26 amperes. 2. Condenser. 3. Condenser fan, which operates at a speed of 1095 revolutions per minute to remove heat from the condenser. 4. Fresh air intake from the environment, and outlet of hotter air to the exterior. 5. Vapor line and liquid line with their respective service valves. 6. Filter dryer. 7. Thermostatic expansion valve. 8. Evaporator. 9. Evaporator fan, responsible for sucking air from the premises, passing the air flow through the evaporator, and pushing the air into the premises. 10. Outlet of cold air to the spaces to be air conditioned. 11. The refrigerant gas pressure in this equipment is 121 pounds per square inch in the low pressure stage and close to 380 pounds per square inch in the high pressure stage. 12. Approximately 2.2 kilograms of R410A refrigerant gas are required for proper operation.